How to fix Facebook login error. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix your Facebook login error. Now the first and foremost thing is to check your credentials. You want to make sure that the email, username or the password that you have entered is correct. Now if it is correct and if you're still not being able to log in, it just says error and you're unable, then you might want to first check in your internet connection. If you have proper internet connection, then you might want to reset your application in that case, because it might be a glitch or a bug. Simply scroll down the notification bar, tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner, and then you want to scroll down all the way below until you find the option apps. Under apps, you want to search in for Facebook and you want to open up Facebook app info. Once here, you want to scroll down and head into storage. Under storage at the bottom, you'll find clear data option. Simply tap on it and tap on delete. This will basically reset your application and remove any glitches and bugs in it. Once you do so, you want to go ahead to Play Store and update your Facebook application, and then open up Facebook and type in your credentials and try logging in back. If it still doesn't help, then you might want to contact Facebook support for it. So this is the way you can fix Facebook login error. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.